Hey guys, today we're going to be installing our cab B8.5 RS4 front bumper V1 on this 2013 Audi S4. Let's get to it. To begin the bumper installation, you'll need access from the front wheel area. You can turn the wheels and remove the bumper, but for easier access, we recommend jacking up the vehicle and removing the wheels. This will provide the most convenient working space. Next, you will need to remove 4 T25 Torx screws connecting the fender liner to the bumper. Then remove the plastic retaining clip using a pry tool as demonstrated in the video. Afterwards, you will need to remove a 10mm bolt that is hidden behind the fender liner. The location of this bolt is shown by the red arrow. You will need to use extensions to remove this 10mm bolt since it is deep inside the bumper. Next, you will just need to repeat the same steps but for the passenger side. Here you can see a better visual of the 10mm bolt that needs to be removed. Next, we will be removing the screws that are connecting the bumper and under tray to the vehicle. There are 4 T27 Torx screws as shown by the red arrows, and 2 T25 Torx screws as shown by the blue arrows. Afterwards, you will need to remove the 4 retaining clips from the radiator cover as shown by the red arrows. Push these clips in by using a thin pin tool, then use a pry tool to pull them out. Next, we will be removing 2 T25 Torx screws that are located on the left and right side of the grille as shown. These screws are what's connecting the grille to the vehicle. Now for this client, they had a garage module that was attached to their grille, which had to be removed before disconnecting the bumper. Using a bit of force, detach the bumper's clips from the vehicle as demonstrated in the video. Disconnect the fog light sensors from the OEM bumper. This next step is if you are looking to retain your OEM grille or you are transferring our RS4 style grille to the RS4 style bumper. You will need to remove 13 T25 Torx screws from your grille as shown by the red arrows. In this video, our client already had our RS4 style Quattro grille, so they did not have as many screws. Once you have removed all the Torx screws that are connecting the grille to the bumper, you will need to pop out the tabs from the grille using a pry tool. Afterwards, attach your grille to the RS4 bumper using the same T25 Torx screws that you removed from the previous step around the perimeter of the grille. Next, you'll need to connect the fog light resistors to your vehicle. You can zip tie them to an area that will not have them hanging from behind the bumper, as demonstrated in the video for both the passenger and driver side. Now, this next step is optional, but we spray painted our client's crash bar with black bed liner. While the spray paint is settling, you will need the bumper cover retainer plate from your OEM bumper and attach it to the RS4 style bumper as demonstrated. This retainer plate is what the 10mm bolt was attached to from earlier in the video. Next, we attach the module back onto the grille and line up the RS4 bumper to the vehicle and pop in the clips. You just need a bit of force to ensure the clips are secured tightly onto the vehicle. Next, we will need to line up the tabs of the grille that connect to the vehicle. Ensure the hole from the grille tab lines up directly with the hole from the vehicle. We recommend you close the hood to see where the best position is for your bumper and grille to line up with the hood. Once your bumper is in position, you will need to secure the grille to the vehicle by reattaching the T25 Torx screws we took off earlier. Once the grille is secured, we will attach the radiator cover and secure it by popping in the 4 pins. Next, we will be attaching the 10mm bolt that will catch onto the bumper cover retainer plate that we transferred over from the OEM bumper. Next, you will need this fender liner U-nut that will attach to the bottom corner of the bumper, and it is used to secure the filler piece connecting the fender liner to the RS4 bumper with a T25 Torx screw. Once you've secured the fender liner with the filler piece, you'll reattach the other 4 T25 Torx screws and pop in the plastic retaining clip as demonstrated.
Is it mounting? Screw mounting? These are the screw castings, right? Looks called screw mount.
You can hold on.
Next, we will transfer the undertray from the OEM bumper to the RS4 bumper. You will need the fender liner U-nut from your OEM bumper to secure the T25 Torx screws in the corners of the undertray to the bumper. That wraps up our install for the B8.5 RS4 style bumper. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on future installs. For high quality aftermarket parts for your Audi, BMW, or Mercedes, visit CanAutoperformance.com. Link in the description. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.